One of the most important features Genesis framework lacking is infinite scroll. For instance, when you visit the category archives, you have to make use of paginated buttons to go to the next or previous pages. This is time consuming, less user friendly, and not a great user experience. To overcome this problem, I have made this infinite scroll from Genesis WordPress plugin. This plugin is completely free and open sourced. To use this plugin on your WordPress site running on Genesis framework, hover your mouse on plugins and click on Add New. In the search box, search for infinite scroll for Genesis and hit enter key. From the search results, click on Install Now button beside infinite scroll for Genesis. Once the plugin is installed, hit the Activate button to activate the plugin. After activating the plugin, head over to Settings and select Infinite Scroll. Here you will find plenty of options to configure the plugin. For instance, you can enable Infinite Scroll only on home page, blog, category archives, tag archives, other archives, search results, or of course on all. For instance, I'm enabling the infinite scroll only on category archives for now. And I'm choosing to load the post automatically when user scrolls to the end of the list. Coming to the animation style, I'm choosing bouncing bubbles for now. And to match the color of my site, I'm applying the hex code of my brand color. I'm leaving the priority to default and save the configuration. To test the plugin, open one of your category archives and scroll to the end of the list. You can see here the more posts are loading automatically when user scrolls to the end of the post, and the URL in the address bar are changing automatically again. But the problem with this approach is user is unable to reach the footer section of my site. Whenever they try to reach the footer, the post load automatically, breaking their flow. To fix this problem, I will load the post only on button click. When you apply these settings, the more posts are loaded only after clicking the button. By doing this, we are allowing our users to consume the content we are showing in the footer. If you are not sure how each animation looks like, head over to Help tab in Plugin Settings to preview all animations. Once you decide the animation you like, go to Configuration tab again and change the animation style. The changes are reflected almost instantly, and you can refresh the page to see the new animation. Once you're happy with the output, you can enable infinite scroll on remaining sections of your site. So I'm enabling infinite scroll on blog, tags, others, and search results. After enabling them, it's time to verify it again. Now let's verify other archives. The other archives are working fine. Now let's verify the tags. Tag archives are also working fine. Now let's check the search results. Search results are also working as expected. Now let's finally check the blog page. In Infinite scroll on blog page also working fine. If you have any questions about the plugin, visit the FAQ section inside Help tab, or else you can post a question in the WordPress plugin repository. If you like the plugin, please leave a 5-star review in WordPress plugin repository and subscribe to our channel for more updates.